Do not lose your passport or green card while outside the United States. Our good friends are on a safari trip, the trip of a lifetime, and between Europe and Kenya, they lost their son's passport. They spent the last 3 days in Nairobi trying to figure out a way to contact the U.S. Embassy. Luckily, they got in late last night, and the embassy was able to give them an emergency passport. He'll be able to continue on the trip, and they'll be able to go for the rest of their awesome journey. But I tell you this because sometimes the State Department can't act that quickly, so you have to be super, super careful with your U.S. passport and your green card. Obviously, that's true. Now, you can get a passport card for an extra $20, and I highly recommend that you do that, and you keep that in a separate place when you travel, separate from your passports. That way, if you lose one or the other, you have the backup. Now, for people with green cards, I've had several clients left outside the United States for months and months without their green card because the embassies work a whole lot slower to get someone proof of lawful permanent residence. They might give them a FOIL or a temporary visa to come back to the United States, but I've had people almost lose their lawful permanent resident status because they can't get the embassy to act, and they can't get a temporary green card, and therefore they can't get on a plane. And that's the whole thing. If you don't have your passport, you don't have your green card, you're not coming back to the United States. So please, I beg you to be careful, do everything you can to keep it safe, and if you get in trouble, contact the embassy's emergency U.S. citizen services as fast as you can. Good luck, everybody.